In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Veo 3. Whether you're new to Veo or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently, all within about 5 minutes. First and foremost, you'll need to open Gemini. This is your starting point and gateway into using Google Veo 3. Gemini serves as the platform where you can access all the necessary tools you'll need. If you haven't used Gemini before, make sure you're logged in and ready to navigate. Once you're in Gemini, your next step is to create a new chat. Think of this as opening a blank canvas where all your creative ideas will begin to take shape. Simply initiate a new chat session to get started. This is essential for using the tools we'll be exploring, and it allows you to organize your thoughts clearly. After you've set up your new chat, you'll want to locate the Tools menu. This can usually be found right at the chat box, and it's a crucial component of this process. Click on it and you'll see a variety of features you can utilize. Exploring these tools will give you a sense of the capabilities and customization options available to you. From the Tools menu, you'll want to select Create Videos with Veo. This is where the magic happens. Once you choose this option, you're tapping into the powerful video creation capabilities of Google Veo 3. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. The interface will guide you effortlessly. Now, here comes the fun part, describing the scene you want to create. This is where your creativity shines. Think about the visual style you envision and the details you want included. Be as descriptive as possible. Consider colors, themes, lighting, and any specific elements that can bring your vision to life. This information is crucial because it guides the software's rendering of your scene. With everything set up and your scene described in detail, patiently wait for Gemini to complete your request. At this stage, you can relax as the software processes the information. Depending on the complexity of your scene and the amount of detail you've included, this step might take a little time. However, rest assured that Gemini is working diligently to produce the final product for you. And there you have it. A concise yet comprehensive guide to using Google Veo 3. By following these steps and engaging your creative side, you'll be able to create stunning videos with ease. Keep practicing and experimenting with different scenes and visual styles to enhance your skills over time. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!